Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gina. I'm going to be starting a new crock pot cooking show called Simple Crock Pot Cooking with Gina, and that'll be coming on a YouTube channel soon in the near future. A little bit of background about myself. I'm emotion and body code certified with Dr. Bradley Nelson. I'm a cancer prevention coach, and I got that certification with the Will Life Center in Canada. I took Dr. Richie Shoemaker's biotoxin and mold class, biotoxin illness and mold class. I'm a life coach, a health and wellness coach. My foundation is nutrition and essential oils. I'm a Young Living rep. I also love herbals and teas and that kind of thing. All the hippie stuff. I am a martial arts instructor. I feel like that's a very vital part of my life because teaching self-defense is very passionate. I just feel like we should all know how to defend ourselves. God forbid if we ever need to use it, hopefully not. I am a freelance flautist. For those of you who don't know what a flautist is, it's a flute player. I live in the Nashville, Tennessee area as a freelance flautist, and that's like a heart and soul, like also a passion of mine. It just makes me happy to play music. I have 5 kids, 25 all the way down to 8. And throughout the years of my children, first of all, I grew up in Southern Illinois on a farm, a family farm, so I know how to like do a huge garden and can and all that kind of stuff, But throughout the course of my children's lives, 2 of my kiddos had food allergies. We've also dealt with like horrible seasonal allergies. We've dealt with chemical allergies, allergies to preservatives. One of my kiddos unfortunately got Lyme disease, and that was a whole whirlwind of autoimmune stuff. For anybody that's dealt with Lyme disease, they can understand that. She also had CIRS, C-I-R-S, which is a biotoxin illness, henceforth, which threw me into the emotion and body code and cancer prevention coach and biotoxin illness classes and kind of down this road of health and wellness. And then throughout the years, just doing all the things and having all the kids and meeting myself coming and going, I kind of perfected my cooking skills via crock pots. So this show will be 95% like kind of crock pot based because that's how I found helps my family. And I figured if it can help me, maybe it can help somebody else out there. Somebody else that just got diagnosed with food allergies and thought, oh my gosh, how am I supposed to cook all this food for my kid? Oh my gosh, how my kid just got diagnosed with autoimmune disease. Now we're on a low histamine diet. What am I supposed to do? I'm going to incorporate all that, what I've learned over the years and the kind of, perfected. I cook full meals in crock pots. I use multiple crock pots, rice cookers, that kind of thing. And then I put it in at night for the most part. And then in the morning it's ready to go. And we're always coming and going at my house. So then there's always food ready in the crock pot, a nice hearty meal. And it's not going to be one of these shows that are like, oh, you have to spend $500 at the health food store. And I love it. I wish I could, but I can't. Like I said, I'm a single mom and life happens. And my car broke down plus this year, and for the first time in my life I found myself at a food pantry. So I'm going to incorporate food pantry items plus Dollar Tree items plus clearance rack at the health food store, because every penny counts, especially in today's day and age with inflation being the price it is, and as a single mom and multiple children and trying to make it all work and keeping a roof over her head. So this is going to be real life. It's going to be raw. It's going to be the truth. It's going to be what I found helps my family. Hopefully it can help you somehow or somebody that you know. Yeah, that's basically it. Simple crock pot cooking with Gina. Stay tuned. In the near future, I will have my YouTube channel up and running. I just wanted to put this out there and introduce myself, and we'll see how it goes and hopefully help someone. Thanks.